Okay, done this one. Okay, task for the result, the radio button should only select one. Okay, only select one. Now next one, how to put in the spinner. First of all, you have to create a string resource. So go to your string.xml file. Okay, under the string.xml file, we come out the category. Based on the question, we have this grouping. Okay, refer to the question. Inside this question, we have less than 17 years old. Okay, 17 to 29, 26 to 30, and so on until less than 55. And not above. This is last one is more than 55. More than 55. Okay, done this one. Add in the array. Add in this array. Then notice this is a string array. It's not just a string. String array. Okay, so once you finish the array, go back to the main activity, creating files. Not creating files, the design. Go back to your design one more time. Now we need to add in our item inside the spinner. Okay, this one you try to look for the entry. Okay, look for this property as entry. Okay, or you can try to look at the code. Spinner entry. Look for this entry. Then put in the array name we created just now. Okay, put in the array name you created just now. Then you should get the spinner item is loaded. Okay, right? Okay, so try out for the code. We'll click on the calculate button. You should come out the total premium. Okay, try this on how to get a spinner item selected. We have a spinner name, the name for the spinner, top followed by selected item. Okay, if you put top selected item, it return to you. If let's say you select the first one, return this one to you. Okay, less than 17, 17 to 20, this is the string data text return. Follow on, using top selected item. Or you want to refer to the position. Sometimes array is an array. Array is index space. The first array index will be 0. So if you do not want to refer to the long task here, you may refer to the index number. So we have a top selected position item. Okay, top selected position item. Okay, so try this out. So this part, maybe I'll give you another 15 minutes try to do the answer. Okay, come out the solution. Complete the calculate button and the set button, come out the total premium. Let's try to finish this in 20 minutes time. Oh my god, I see you. Oh. Oh. Okay, if you finish, you can share the answer with others. Is that okay? Okay, another 10 minutes, then we try to check the answer here. Okay, finish done. Now how to do? Okay. Okay, UI ready, right? UI finish, right? Design done. Okay, let's try to start to do coding. Okay, for calculate. Of course, if you want to use a data binding, just go ahead. Data binding. Okay, now when the button is being played, what we need to do first, we need to find out in our UI, this is our interface. Okay, we need to find out which one is selected, gender, which gender is selected, and also this is a user smoker or non-smoker. So first of all, age range. Okay, this one I call it as age range. So how to get the range from here? Okay, I have one. Okay, I haven't defined. Okay, sorry. Wow, this is spinner. Okay, spinner for age. Okay, so first of all, now we're going to know which item selected. So we have the spinner dot selected item. Okay, as I mentioned just now, selected item returning is a string data type. If you prefer for position, so you will see the selected item position. This item position you can see returning integer data types. Okay, from here, if I click on here, you can see it's returning integer. That means that the position, the first item is 0, second item is 1, and so on. So which one you want to use? You want to use it as a string or you want to use it as an integer? Which one do you think is more easier? To do the select case statement, which one do you think is more easier? Integer or string? String. String, I choose a string. Okay, let's say I choose a string. Okay, this is what I call age range. Or maybe I say this selected age. Selected range. Okay, string data type. String data type, you have to convert to the string, dot to string, dot to string. Okay, then also we need to know which radio button selected by user. Radio button gender. Selected gender. Okay, string data type also. How I know? Refer to your radio group, radio group dot selected chat radio. Okay, this one I should name it as an ID first. I name it as an ID. Selected radio ID. String data type. Change the integer. String change the integer. Selected ID means that I need to know which radio button is being selected. Okay. So in case radio ID is equivalent to r.id dot radio female. So I should return the M. Okay, so create one variable to store it. Wow, selected gender. Okay, get this M. Let's say r.id. This is not equals arrow missing. This one arrow. R.id dot followed by radio for male. Okay, so I return. This is female and male. Otherwise, else, nothing return. Alright, so we need to know selected chat radio button ID means which one is selected. If you are selected, I get the radio ID. So from this radio ID, I know whether it's a female or male. Any issue with this code? Follow this code? Any question? If you don't want to create additional here, you can just put this radio button chat inside here also can. Then no need to have a so long coding. This is a group ID, so no need to create this also can. Okay, depends on you. I need to know which one is selected. Is radio male, so I return the male group this variable. Okay, is female, return F to this variable. Okay, then the last one we need to know whether the smoker is chat or not. Chat dot is chat. Return true false. Okay, this one is a boolean data type. Return true false. Alright, then you can do the checking here. Okay, you should get all the values selected here, return. So we do the checking. A, the person is okay, if the person age below 70 years old, so the premium is 60 ringgit. So we don't consider about male or female, we don't consider about this person is smoking or not. Okay, return 60. So how to do that? Have to refer to the selected range. Okay, so maybe I create one more variable here called premium. Okay, premium. Premium is double data type. Alright. So we do the selection here. When selected age range is belong to the first selected string here. We have less than 70 years old. Okay, copy this, less than 70. Okay, so what should I return? Is the person age less than 70 years old, the premium is 60 ringgit. Okay, premium 60 ringgit, so I just return here 60. Okay, return to where? Return it to premium. Okay, return 60 ringgit to premium. Then I can do the display display in the chat box. In the text field, I haven't put it in. This is a text field. I call it result, or maybe I call it premium. Okay, premium. EV premium dot tax equivalent to premium. Else return 0. Okay, for the first case, so yeah, add in the second case, third case for me. Okay, try to complete this one. Try for the result first. Okay, try for the result. If I select the first one, I should get 60 ringgit return, regardless the person is a smoker or is a male or female. Okay, this one, if I select that's a 17 years old, do the calculation. Okay, I should get 0.
Select that you use.
Select
Premium where?
Hold on, let me check. But this is a age range. Sorry, my mistake. Age range, not selected. Gender, age range. Okay, one more time. Okay, so you're checking the case, I got 60 ringgit here. So you do the others, come up with a solution for others. Okay, 5 minutes on settle this video. Is that right?
We are like slower way. No.
example here. I do one category, then the other category you will just modify from here. The second category is 17 to 25. Okay, 17 to 25. This one. Okay, the second. Okay, 17 to 25. Okay, this time you need to do more checking. So I put in a bracket here. This bracket means I have more than one statement to go. Okay, this bracket here. First thing I need to check the person gender. Okay, the person gender. Okay, if gender equivalent to male, then I have to add in additional charge. In additional charge, maybe I create one more variable here. While additional charges. Okay, assign to start with $0. This is a W okay? Okay, so I got this additional charge equivalent to if the person 17 to 25 years old. Okay, 17 to 25 years old and the person is male. Then you have additional 50 ringgit. There's additional 50 ringgit. That is that. Alright. Then one more condition. If the person smoker is a smoker, then this is a plus equal. Okay, plus equal. Additional charge equivalent to 100 ringgit. So you have to put in another 100 ringgit for this. Okay, then at the end, premium equal to additional charge. Charge plus this one, 70 ringgit. 70 ringgit is a base. Okay, 70 ringgit plus this one. What happened to this? Additional charge. And now we are okay, change this one to VAR. Okay, change this one to VAR instead of VAL. VAL value you can only assign one time. After you assign, you can change anymore. Okay, so you got to calculate for the additional charge. At the end, 70 ringgit plus additional charge, return it to the premium. Okay, that's for the result.
Yes.
Yeah, so if I choose 70 to 25, okay, I did not choose anything from here. Okay, let's say it's a female. Okay, calculate, you get 70 ringgit. Male, you get another 50 ringgit charges, 120. It's smoker, then you want expensive. Then the average just copy and paste. Copy paste, change the figure only. Okay, just modify this figure. The figure, the way to do is still the same, just copy paste. Okay, so this one I leave it to you. Okay, continue. Finish right? When is the class? Okay, Pradika class week number 8. Week number 8, probably there is a question on the spinner or Protalis. Okay, so you need to know how to use this. Protalis, spinner, this one, Protalis, okay, spinner, radio button, or maybe chat box. Finish off. Meditation. Okay, try and check whether it works. Finish right? Is that okay? Yeah, so finish, then we move on. Okay, once finished, let's move on to create a new project. Give me a second. Okay, let's create a new project. Let's creating a new project. Okay, create a new project. Refer to your Google Classroom. Okay, I just post this document under the Google Classroom. You refer to the Google Classroom. Okay, Classroom, this one. Okay, you can see this create drawer menu, and also there's one PNG file here. Okay, download this PNG file. Okay, download this one PNG file. Download. Okay, create one new project and view activity again. Okay, based on the notes I given, not the notes, the practical guide I given under your Google Classroom. This one we're going to create a drawer menu. Okay, drawer menu. Okay, this drawer menu I believe you already saw in your lectures hour. Okay, drawer menu. If not mistaken, it's already covered, right? Refer to your lecture notes. Where is it? Lecture. Okay, this one lectures. Today is already week number 4. 5. Okay, week 5 already. Week 5. Week 5 you should cover until this part. That means navigation drawer already covered. So we're going to do this navigation. Okay, the path navigation last week we already go through the navigation graph from one fragment to another fragment navigation data filing we go through. So today we go through this navigation drawer. Okay, so create a new project. From here I'm going to call it as okay, refer to these smaller my files. Okay, refer to your Google Classroom. Step by step given here, you create a new project called drawer menu or any name you like. Okay, any name you like. I'm just call it as a drawer menu. Okay, drawer menu. I already have the project before. I create a drawer menu number 2. Okay, you may refer to your own case, create a new file. In case the file is already used for period groups, you give another new name. Just wait for a while. Okay, so once you finish loading the project, put in the logo. Okay, the car UMP logo just now. Okay, put it in first. You download the file just now. This car logo, this one. Okay, put it in. Into the drawer folder. Okay, next part. Go in the picture first, this picture. PHP file. Okay, after put in what you do, so go to the activity main. Okay, activity main .xml file. What we need to do here to change constraint layout to drawer layout. Okay, constraint layout to drawer layout, and also assign the ID. That means that this is a drawer layout and change the ID. So what you do, you go back to your layout here. This layout currently is a constraint layout. See this one? Currently this is a constraint layout. So you have to convert this constraint layout to drawer layout. You can just cancel this one, type in drawer. Okay, drawer layout. And see from here. Okay, drawer layout. Okay, remove this one. Okay, for drawer layout, you have an opening and closing also same. This is a drawer layout. Or you can just copy the code from your files here. Okay, just copy everything from here. Can also. Okay, copy everything. Okay, copy this one. Put it in. Okay, so see this is a drawer layout, opening and closing tab. Opening from here, drawer layout. Closing here, and also I already give the ID. This ID, the ID already assigned. Now this part. Okay, then under this drawer ID, usually we need to come out layout manager to design. If we did not have this layout manager to design, that means that when I go back to my this UI here. This UI you can see the hello world, but I cannot drag the hello world. See this one? I cannot drag this hello world. So what you do, I need to close this text view with the constraint layout. Okay, so how to do the constraint layout? You can just type in here constraint layout. Okay, this constraint layout, or you can just refer to the code just now. Okay, I already add it for you. This constraint layout. Okay, right? Okay, this constraint layout. So after you add in the constraint layout, you notice that this hello world you are free to move. Okay, clear first? That means that the main layout is called drawer. Under the drawer layout is another constraint layout. Match parent means that we try to make it to the maximized. Okay, refer to the script, we try to match the parents. This is a screen. Okay, normally you do the UI design, this is a screen, right? If you put one more control over here, I want to make it to maximize here, match the parent. This one height go to the top, then this one button go to the button. Okay, this one go to the left, right button. So in the full screen mode, then we call it as a match parent. Okay, match parent. Let's say now I have an answer. I have some text over here ABC. I don't want to make it into the full screen. I want to depend on this text size. So I'm going to say that match contain. Okay, you can try to take a look in here. Okay, let's say now here wrap contain, right? We refer to the design. This one, the size is fixed according to the size for your hello world. Now I want to make it to the full size, so I can do it in this way. For this code, split back, you can see clearly. Okay, in this wrap content, I change it to match parent. When I do it to the match parent, means that in the full size. See this one, full size. If I change this one to match parent, it means that go to the full size. See this? Okay, so try not to make it to the full size. We want to make it according to the size hello world. So wrap content. Follow this one. Same thing from here. We have what constraint layout. I want to make it to the full size. Okay, full screen size. Okay, done this one. Okay, done. Now once you finish here, let's continue. Okay, this main activity done. So now let's move on to the next one. We create the header menu. Okay, create this one, the header menu. Header menu. How to create the header menu? Right click the layout. Okay, right click this layout. You have one layout here. Right click this one. Don't right click the resource. Resource you create another one. So we want to create one layout. Go to layout resource file. Okay, right click, go to the layout resource file, put in the name, call it as a header menu. Done. Okay, create this layout. Okay, it's just an additional string. Just now you have made activity for you to design the layout. Then now we create one more additional string here. Okay, additional string. Then what I need to do, I can try to design my company logo on top, then maybe menu on the bottom. Okay, so what you can do, you can try to drag in image view. Okay, image view. Then choose a TAR-EMP logo. Okay, TAR-EMP logo. If size is too big, you can just adjust it. Make it smaller. Okay, make it smaller, put at the center. You try to set up the constraint. Top, left, right, bottom, everything set up. Left, right, try to put 0 up. Left, right, 0. Top, 0. Okay, bottom also set to 0. Everything set to 0. Okay, top, left, right, bottom, everything to 0. Then go back to the curves again. Look at this one. So you have this image view, right? Now this constraint layout, the height here, I don't want to make it into the full screen. So maybe what I can do, I can assign it to the smaller size, let's say 200 dB. Okay, 200 dB, you can see the size now. For this to here, okay, here. Okay, you have this size here. Then maybe I want to assign some background color to it. So assign the background. Any color you like. Okay, any color, let's say I put 1 to 3. 1 to 3, this color not nice. You can change the color in here. Click on the left side. Okay, you can free to change whatever color you like. Okay, we just follow the FOCS theme color, orange color. So you have one color here. 200. Okay, right? Maybe this image size, I want to make it to the size according to your screen size. So we're going to change it to 2. This one, make it to full size. This way also can. 0, 0. Okay, change to 0. Then maybe you can try to add in some padding. Let's say you found that the image, I want to put in some gap in between here. Okay, the padding, they go close to each other. Design, you can do your own design. Okay, add in the padding. Let's say 20 pixels. See this one? Okay, so now this is the image and we have about 20 pixels here. Okay, this is the same thing as you can see inside the notes. The steps are given here. You change the size, you change the padding, you change the background color. Okay, get this one? Okay, so refer to the code, you should get something look like this. That is not. Okay, done. Okay, this is the header. Then we move on to create a menu. So to create a menu, we go back to the resource. Okay, under this resource, right click, go to the new, choose resource file. This time for the resource file, you choose menu. Okay, choose menu. Resource type, choose menu. Based on the guide given here, I'm going to say this is a main menu. Okay, copy this name, main menu. Okay, name it as main menu. Remember that to change the resource type to menu. Click on the OK. Now you got one menu come up from here. This one, menu. Okay, look at the code. Then look at this code. What I'm going to do, I need to design the menu in here. So copy the codes also. We don't want to type so many. So just to let you know, to create a menu, we do the groupings. Okay, sometimes in the menu, okay, sometimes we come out the menu. You see, there's a one underline. Let's say this is a save file. As it, then there's a one underline, right? This is the first menu, second menu. One is a grouping here. First grouping, second grouping. Okay, the menu grouping. So we using this group. Okay, so copy this one. Copy this code. Okay, copy everything. Go back to your code here, put it under this menu. Okay, once again, we usually have something like this, right? Okay, so put it in. Group. This red color, no need to border first. I'm going to solve it later on. Okay, done? So meaning to say here, I'm going to create one menu called home, the title, the home ID is called navigation home. Okay, then we have a sub menu. Okay, sub menu, we have edit menu, and maybe this one is a configuration menu. Put it in, finish. Done, right? Okay, once finished here, then go back to this drawable. Now I need to add in the picture. This picture haven't existed yet. Under drawable, just now we do the logo.png. Okay, this is under drawable, so missing the pictures. So add in the picture, maybe home. How to add that? Right click this drawable, go to the new, and you should see there is a vector asset. Okay, vector asset, try to choose, click on this, click up, click on this one, click up. Choose what icons you want to display for the menu. Okay, so maybe the first one I call it as a home. Any nice picture for home. Okay, maybe I choose this one, home. Okay, now I will choose the first one, home. Okay. Next. Finish. So get one icons added here, home. Okay, there's one icon home here. So just modify to the name. Then modify to this name, I call it base home 24. The same thing, you add another two picture. One is for edit, one is for configure, just for testing purpose. Any icons we do. Okay, we just want to do it for testing only. Okay, edit. Which one is suitable for edit? Maybe I choose a pen here. You can choose any icons. Next, finish. This one, call it as edit. Okay, repeat the same steps again. This one, call it as construction. Okay. Home menu. Okay, navigation menu. Okay, when I refer to the notes here, you refer to this note that asks you to do. Okay, select my note. Okay, this one done. Okay, let's move now. Go back to the main activity as a mouth file. Okay, put the foreign code. This one. Okay, so go back to the main activity. Okay, under the main activity, just now you see there's a one hello world here. Okay, then we put it in this code. In this form. Get task from the result first. Task for your result. My one here not working. Any result you get?
Where the picture is placed, you must run.
You look at your, you already put it under the main activity. Under the main activity. How about others? Got a picture? You should get something like this. It's a one logo here, then followed by a menu. But my one not display. Okay, never those already done, you can test the result. Test the result, let's see whether you get the output display. You should get something look like this, but including the menu on the bottom.
我那个鼠标的那个。
Also, super duper.
What a teacher.
Super duper.
What is happening?
Oh, you will not yet.
You should get something look like this, but in my version I cannot get this one anymore.
In my version,
Also cannot use it.
Okay, not like.
Super duper master key.
Oh, super duper new master. And then it's one second animation.
Wow.
That means that when you try to run this one, you should get the output display. You should get something display like this. Okay, but the logo I change here. Hold on, let me finish up this one first. Okay, then one more thing is, once you do the application, you see the menu display here. This is not what I want to see. I want to hide this. So there is one more coding here. You go down to apply this gravity start. When you add in this gravity start here, test it again. This time you should see the menu is hidden. Okay, the menu is hidden. Then how to bring the menu up? You click on the left side here. Hold down the click. Hold down the mouse click. Then you should be able to pull out from here. Okay, this is a menu. You click, then pull it up. This is a menu allow you to select. After you select, then what you want to do? Maybe you want to navigate to the different fragment of page. What's wrong? Please.
我先走不到哎。
How many can get? Your ones can get. How about others?
Sometimes we can.
This icon of the icons. There are 1, 2, 3 more additional icons here. This is the one, the icons. This icon. Okay.
在不是
Under the
地
drawer, right? Edit. Vector asset. Click on the pick up. This one. Then choose what icon you want. Okay, then after you finish this, maybe we try to implement the actions. The action, you click on the home, maybe I go to the page, click on this edit, you go to another page. Okay. Then come back. This is under main activity. Now implement the action is under the main activity. So now continue this part, go down, go down. Okay, going down. Same thing, of course, we need to have a drawer, navigation, cover, everything the same thing, you just copy this one, put it into your main activity. This is before on break, put it on before break. Okay, put it here. Another enter to import. Okay, copy paste. If you get the red color, just alternate enter to import. Okay, alternate enter to import all these. Okay, then one more thing. This drawer, all the code is just copy and paste. Okay. Screenshot resource. Okay, copy paste one. Gravity Compact Import Library. Menu open, menu close, menu open. I have it editing. Okay, now you just import the class for Gravity Import, Gravity Compact first. Finish, right? Okay, now so how to display the string open and close here? So you go to your string resource again. Under the string resource, we try to add in 2 more resources. Okay, what I name it. This one I name it as menu open, menu open. One is open, one should be closed. Okay, so put it in the resource. Menu open, menu close. Okay. So name it as menu underscore open, right? Menu open, menu close. So maybe I call this is open, close. Let us for the result now. But we will test the result not action now because we haven't finished. Okay. In here we will click on the edit what you want to do. Okay, this one. We will click on this edit, navigation edit. Okay, navigation edit refer to what? Referring to the menu here. We have one navigation edit. Okay, navigation edit like this is a one. We click on this under the navigation is one edit. Refer to output just now. This is a one edit. Okay, navigation edit. Then on top here, navigation is a title like this title. Alright. Then home refer to this home. Okay, the home refer to this. Okay. So what you want to do, if you click, then you put in your own source code. Okay, right? Finish? Okay. Finish. So same thing. Okay, what you want to do after you click on this button, maybe you want to do navigation, right? So you have to add in the fragment. Okay, you have to add in the fragment. Then same thing like last week what we do the navigation for the fragment. Got this, huh? You may try it out. Okay, just try it out. Go back to your this one, conduct example exercise 3. We try to add in fragment. Go to the fragment, blank fragment. Okay. Right click this one, right click on top here, conduct example package. Right click, go to the new and choose fragment, blank fragment. Okay, under this blank fragment, maybe I call it as A. This is a fragment A. Okay, fragment A. Then again, what happened is the string this. Get that one. What is the fragment A done? You add in the fragment A. Finish, right? Okay, go to this fragment here. So fragment A you can also do last time as what you can see last week. You can do the design here. So I'm not going to do any design. Okay, in here you can do your own design. Now go back to the main activity again. Main activity. Just now we have one task view. Okay, this task view I don't want to display task view anymore. I need to make it as a container to load the fragment inside. Okay, when I click the menu, I need to display the string inside the main activity. Okay, so remove this task view. Okay, remove this task view. Look for the container. Container is the one to help you to display the items on the display. So which container here is a fragment contain view. Okay, fragment contain view. Okay, create. Okay, first fragment A maybe means that when this fragment is first displayed, you're going to get a display. Okay, of course you can try to do many different fragments here, fragment A, fragment B. So later on you look at different fragments inside. Okay, constraint, try to make it to the full screen. 0, 0, 0, 0. Trying to see whether you got this fragment display first. Okay, you got this hello fragment here, right? So how about let's say in this case, what I'm going to do, if I click on edit, I need to load the second fragment in. Instead of first fragment in here, let's say this is a home fragment. When I click on the edit, I need to load another fragment. So try to repeat the same thing. Add another called fragment B. Okay, add one more fragment called B, then click edit, load the B. Then do it very quick. Add one more fragment. Okay, I call it as a B. A and B. Okay, so we have fragment A, fragment B. Okay, fragment B, to make it some different, maybe I change some text over here. Instead of fragment, hello fragment, change it to change the text, just to make it different, or else later on you see hello fragment, okay. And this is B. Then make the second fragment as B. Then first fragment display, maybe I display A. The first one display A, second display B. Then go back to your main activity. Now we need to start to load. Okay, if I choose on this edit, I need to load the files. Okay, this code may not in your, you see inside here. I forgot to put it in to load the fragment. Okay, go to the top. We try to add in one more support manager, fragment manager. Then put it in. Fragment manager, put it on top. We need to set this one down. Put it on top under the main activity. Under main activity, this one. Then lastly, we try to load the files. Okay, inside the edit. Let's say when I click on the edit, I need to load this file. So this one, what is the ID we call just now? Hold on, let me see here. Fragment ID is called fragment container view. Okay, under the fragment container view just now we haven't changed the ID, so remain as a container view. This one container view, and now I need to load, let's say, fragment B. Okay, load the fragment B, put it inside this, and make it display. Okay, check for the result. Currently is display A, right? Then now I try to do navigation to edit. You're going to see the E here. Overlap. I need to remove it. Okay, so anyway, we try to continue doing this loading fragment next week. The previous fragment I need to remove it. Okay, so basically this is what you need to do. Okay, action, put it here. Okay. So fragment manager, then try to load files. Okay, so save it. Attendance, remember the date.
Semua ni dia ni.
Yeah.
Ui.